Welcome to the Creating a New Site tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will walk you through how to create a new site. Once you've established your database hierarchy, you'll want to create sites. Sites are where all sampling and survey data is organized and stored. Don't forget to think about your naming convention as you begin naming your new sites. Be specific and try to include in the name any pertinent details such as allotment, pasture, or area information.
In Edit Schema mode, click on the subfolder you want the site to be under. Then click New Site. Give the site a detailed name. Then save all schema edits. To open the site, right-click and select Open or double-click on the site. There are 4 tabs in the site window, including General, Description, Portfolio, and Log. The General tab opens by default and includes site type, site status, date established, slope aspect, percent slope, elevation, and notes. Make sure to change the date established to the actual date by clicking the drop-down menu or manually type it in. The Notes section is for providing a description of site-specific notes, such as soil information, transect layout, directions, or any other information not related to a specific date or event.
The General tab also includes the Locator Manager, where you can add, edit, and delete GPS coordinates. For more information, please see the GPS module tutorial. The Description tab stores site description surveys associated with the site. This type of survey is different from a log survey as it is not used to collect survey information that may change over time. For more information on how to enter data in a survey, see the Survey Field Input tutorial.
The Portfolio tab stores document files and repeat photography. You can provide a date and description for each of these file types. To add a new document, click New Portfolio and browse to the location of the file. By selecting the View button, documents and photos can be zoomed in and out. Images can be viewed side by side for sites with long-term photo monitoring. The files can be stored on the device as a reference to their current location or copied to the Portfolio folder located in the VGS data folder in the Program Data folder on your C drive. The location of all files in the portfolio can be found by selecting the Details button. Because the portfolio documents are not stored within the database itself, they cannot sync to the server or another device.
The Log tab is where data input events are stored. For more information about creating events, see the Sampling or Survey Field Input tutorials.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.